Today, we adjourn the session in high spirits. We have demonstrated once again our legislative efficiency with a succession of significant laws. Muli nating pinatunayan na ang malaking kapulungan na ito ay institusyon ng aksyon at pagbabago. Sa bawat batas na ipinasa natin, hindi lamang mga salita ang binitawan natin. Ipinakita natin ang konkretong solusyon para sa pangangailangan ng bawat Pilipino. Out of the 64 total number of priority measures outlined in the Common Legislative Agenda for the 19th Congress, 60 have been approved and only 4 remain under deliberation with the respective committees. Sa madaling salita, natapos natin ang lahat ng trabaho na napakasunduan kasama ng palasyo ang Senado bago matapos ang taon kasalukuyan. Dahil sa ipinakita ninyong kasipagan at dedikasyon sa trabaho, ipinaabot ko po ang taos-pusong pasalamat sa inyong lahat. As for the 28 LEDAC priority measures for passage, by the end of the 19th Congress, I reported to His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. this morning in the LEDAC's full council meeting that your House of the People have approved 26 out of the 28 priority measures targeted for approval by the end of the 3rd regular session. And we will aim for a 100% completion by end of December 2024 or 6 months ahead of its intended target. During the first quarter of the 3rd regular session, the House also ushered in the passage of 3 important legislative measures. The most recently signed by the President is Republic Act RA number 12021, or the Magna Carta for Filipino seafarers, which recognizes and prescribes the rights and duties of local and overseas Filipino seafarers, promotes their full employment, and ensures equal opportunities in the maritime industry. Together, let us continue riding this wave of hard work and rest with the satisfaction that no matter what, we will always succeed.